Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make moringa juice for hair growth. Only way. Blend 1 cup fresh moringa leaves with 2 cups water until smooth. Then strain into a pitcher to remove fibers. Stir in 1 tablespoon honey and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Taste and adjust sweetness. Serve chilled or at room temperature and store in the fridge up to 3 days in a sealed container. Start by rinsing moringa leaves under cold water to remove grit and impurities. Add rinsed leaves to the blender with 2 cups water and blend on high for 60 to 90 seconds until fully pureed. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, pressing solids to extract juice. Mix in honey and lemon, taste and chill before using for a refreshing, hair-nourishing drink or topical rinse. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more natural hair content. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle makes staying hydrated while prepping and rinsing so much easier, and it's my go-to on the counter. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. This moringa juice supplies vitamins and C, plus iron, which can support scalp health and hair strength when paired with a balanced diet. Drinking the juice helps with overall hydration and may reduce hair breakage by improving elasticity. You can also dilute the juice for a topical scalp rinse to apply nutrients directly. Consistent use, alongside good hair care practices, yields the best visible results over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.